Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into one of the most sophisticated and airy architectural movements, the pavilion style house. At its core, a pavilion-style home is an architectural design characterized by open floor plans, large glass walls, and a distinct lack of heavy internal load-bearing walls. Inspired by the temporary structures used in parks or exhibitions, these permanent residences emphasize a lightweight, floating appearance. They often consist of multiple connected wings or separate pavilions linked by glass walkways, creating a home that feels more like a series of interconnected transparent boxes than a solid block of concrete. This style is all about celebrating the horizon and blurring the boundary between your living room and the natural world outside. The benefits of choosing a pavilion design extend far beyond just aesthetics. It is a lifestyle choice that prioritizes wellness and connection. By utilizing expansive glass facades, these homes are flooded with natural light throughout the day, which can significantly improve mood and reduce the need for artificial lighting. The layout also promotes superior cross-ventilation, making it an eco-friendly choice for temperate climates. Furthermore, the modular nature of pavilion architecture allows for a unique separation of zones. You can have a dedicated quiet pavilion for bedrooms and a social pavilion for the kitchen and living areas, connected by a breezeway. This provides an unparalleled level of privacy and acoustic control that traditional open-concept homes often struggle to achieve, all while maintaining a sense of immense, unconfined space. Decorating the exterior of a pavilion-style home requires a less-is-more approach to highlight the architectural lines. Since the structure itself is often a mix of glass, steel, and wood, your goal should be to complement these materials rather than hide them. Start by using integrated LED strip lighting along the roof lines or under the eaves to create a spectacular, floating effect at night. Landscape design is crucial. Use minimalist plantings like ornamental grasses or structural trees that don't obstruct the view from the glass walls. Consider adding oversized, low-profile outdoor furniture on the decks that mirrors the indoor aesthetic, creating a seamless transition. Using natural stone pathways and infinity-edge water features can also enhance the resort-like feel, ensuring that the house feels anchored in its environment while maintaining its sleek, modern edge. While the pavilion style is inherently modern, it can be adapted into several distinct substyles to suit different tastes. The contemporary glass house style is the most popular, featuring floor-to-ceiling glass and flat roof lines for a sharp, urban look. For those who prefer warmth, the modern rustic pavilion incorporates heavy timber beams and natural stone walls to blend into forested or mountainous landscapes. Another trending style is the tropical Zen pavilion, which utilizes steep pitched roofs with deep overhangs and open breezeways to manage heat, while providing a relaxed, island-inspired atmosphere. Finally, the industrial pavilion style uses exposed steel frames and polished concrete floors to create a bold, structural statement that works perfectly in both rural and suburban settings. And now, let's inspire your dream build. And to show you exactly what this looks like, here are our top 10 best pavilion-style house design ideas that showcase incredible innovation and style. 1. The Modern Horizon Pavilion. This design features a stunning cantilevered roof that provides deep shade over a massive outdoor patio. The integration of warm wood ceilings against a stark white exterior frame creates a high contrast, luxurious look that feels both cozy and infinitely spacious. 2. The Redwood Sanctuary. Tucked away in a lush forest setting, this pavilion utilizes vertical wood siding and massive sliding glass doors. The layout is perfectly positioned to capture the surrounding greenery, making the trees feel like a living wallpaper for the interior living spaces. 3. The Scandi Gable Pavilion. A beautiful take on the pavilion style that uses a classic A-frame silhouette with a modern twist. The dark charcoal vertical cladding provides a striking silhouette against the green lawn, while the large windows at the gable ends let in massive amounts of light. 4. The Marble Monolith. This ultra-modern design uses large format stone panels and a thin, floating roofline. The structure appears to hover over the grass, featuring an integrated outdoor dining area that is protected by the primary roof structure, perfect for high-end entertaining. 5. The Solar Integrated Pavilion. Function meets fashion in this design, featuring a series of interconnected gabled structures with integrated solar roofing. The layout includes a central courtyard and a lap pool, emphasizing a lifestyle centered around sustainability and outdoor leisure. 6. The Midnight Pavilion. This striking L-shaped design uses matte black corrugated metal and vast glass sections to create a moody, sophisticated vibe. The wooden deck serves as a warm bridge between the dark architecture and the vibrant green landscape, offering a perfect spot for sunset viewing. 7. The Elevated Urban Pavilion. Set against a city skyline, this design uses a flat-roofed, modular approach. The interior glows warmly through the glass walls at dusk, highlighting a sunken fire pit and a reflecting pool that mirrors the architectural lines of the home. 8. The Triple-Tier Timber Pavilion. This unique vertical take on the pavilion style features 3 stacked volumes with glass balconies. Each level offers a different perspective of the surrounding woods, with a large ground floor deck that features a hammock and integrated seating for ultimate relaxation. 9. The Translucent Wing Pavilion. This design focuses on the wing concept, where the bedroom and living areas are separated by a central glass foyer. The use of white plaster and light wood creates a bright, airy atmosphere that feels incredibly private despite the large amount of glass. 10. The Forest Edge Pavilion. A minimalist masterpiece featuring a steep-pitched roof and a dedicated outdoor dining plinth. The contrast between the black metal roof and the warm wood accents under the eaves makes this home stand out as a contemporary take on the traditional farmhouse pavilion. Pavilion-style houses represent the pinnacle of modern living, offering a way to live in harmony with our surroundings without sacrificing luxury or comfort. Whether you prefer the sharp lines of steel and glass or the warmth of timber and stone, the pavilion philosophy is about opening up your life to the beauty of the world outside. We hope these designs have inspired your next building project or home renovation. If you love these pavilion designs, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration every week. Comment below and tell us which of our top 10 ideas was your favorite. Would you go for the glass monolith or the rustic timber sanctuary? Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest trends in home decor and design.